Tell me the first multiplication, 80 into 48. What is the answer?
3840.
Yes. Second one, 48 into
48,
24.
48 into 24 is 1152.
1152. 24 into 80.
24 into 80, I will solve.
Okay, solve it. Solve it.
Ma'am, 1928.
28 or
Yeah,
20?
28.
No, 24 into 80, na?
Yeah, 24 into 80.
Yes. So it is coming 1920.
No, ma'am, I got 1928.
How?
Uh-huh.
24 multiplied by 8 multiplied and 0 in last you can write the 0.
Okay. Wait. In 1780. Yes, ma'am.
How much?
1920.
Add it.
Ma'am, 6912.
Yes. Multiply by 2.
Okay. Ma'am, 13,824.
13,824. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Yes.
see the question. This is the surface area only.
Yes, ma'am.
Surface area of one suitcase.
Yeah.
है ना? How many suitcases are there?
100 are there. So we'll multiply.
100 are. So for the 100, how much it will be? That is 100 into, this is for 1. So you have to find for the 100. 100 into 30,824 for the one suitcase.
Yeah.
And how many suitcases are there?
100 suitcase.
100. So multiply by the 100. That will be for the 100 suitcase.
Yeah.
And here one more thing is given. What is that?
The width
breadth of the,
yeah.
what is given in the question?
The
Breadth
width
of,
of the breadth of the tarpaulin.
tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover
Yeah.
100 suitcases. So area of the tarpaulin is how much? Length into breadth. Length is not given. You can write as length only because this you have to find.
Okay.
Breadth is given. Breadth is given. That is 96. So length into 96, this you have to write.
Oh,
Length is not given, length you have to find. So this
yeah.
is 96 into L equals to 100 into this surface area for the 100 one. 100 into 1000, 13,824. Then find the length. How much length is required?
Mm.
So 100 into 13,824 divided by 96.
Mm. Understood.
Go down after that again, I will tell you.
Okay.
Note down this one. And if you can calculate, then you can calculate also.
Okay, ma'am.
Note down this one. I will tell
Yeah.
again. Here I have calculated also.
Yes, ma'am. Noted.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the length? This is coming 14,400 centimeter.
Yes.
So you can write in the meter also how much meter? That is 144 meter also.
Yeah.
Calculation I have done here. You know that how I have done? This I have reduced first by 4.
4.
This
Okay.
and this one. Okay. And then again by the 4. So
Hmm.
this, as I solved, in last I got 576 multiplied by 25.
Hmm.
As I solved it, we are getting 14,400 centimeter, which is the centimeter only. So you can convert into the meter also. So you have to divide it by 100.
Okay.
1 meter, 100 centimeter. So that means 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So when, as you will convert this centimeter into meter, divided by 100. So two zeros will be cancelled. So what is the answer? This is 144.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay. The question is little different. So that's why I think little confusion is there. You read again this question. Then I think it will be clear to you.
Okay. A suitcase with measuring. Okay, ma'am. I read.
Question is clear?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear. Question is clear.
That means the first you have to find the surface area of the suitcase. One suitcase only.
Hmm.
Suppose this is a suitcase. Okay, only one is there. What we have to find? We have to find the surface area of it.
Yeah.
We know what is the formula for the surface area? 2 length plus length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So solve
Hmm.
it as we will solve it. What is the surface area? How much the
Surface
surface area
area.
we're getting? That is 13,824 square centimeter.
Yeah.
How many suitcase are there?
100 are there.
100 are there. So what you have to do? Multiply by 100.
Multiply by 100.
Okay. Now the area of the terrapolin is, what is the formula? That is length into breadth. But in the
Hmm.
question you will see length is not given. This is asking to you.
Ah, yeah.
But breadth is given. How much the breadth is given?
96.
Width is given. Width means the breadth.
Yeah.
How much the breadth is given?
96.
96. So this 96 we have written.
Hmm.
Both are equal. So length into breadth, 96, 100 into 13,824. Then find the value of this length.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You can note down. Then after that also, after the class, again you can try this question. If problem will be there, then tomorrow you can ask.
Okay.
One or two times again you have to do yourself.
Yes, okay.
Okay. If problem will be there, then tomorrow you can. You have noted down
Yes, ma'am.
calculation, everything you have noted down.
Yes, ma'am.
So the next question or this one?
Ma'am, what?
This question or the next one?
The next one
You
is
noted down this question or not?
yeah, I noted.
Okay, okay. The next question we can see.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, then read the next question. Question number 3 we completed, then question number 4.
Books are painted outside of the cabinet of measures 1 meter, 2 meter, 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? Ma'am, in this we have to find the surface or area of the what do you call this cabinet. After that, we should subtract the area of the bottom.
Yes. Except the bottom of the cabinet. So
Yeah,
that means what we have to find? We have to find the area of the box, surface
yeah,
area of the box.
yeah,
Okay. But you have to exclude the base of area of the base of the box.
yeah. But we
Because
will.
in the question this is given. Except the bottom of the cabinet.
Yeah,
That is not painted. So that you have to subtract.
ma'am. That means yeah, we will subtract it. Ma'am, but how?
So can you find the surface area?
Yeah, I will.
Same formula. 2 length into breadth plus breadth into height, height into length. First you find this one. After that we will find the, we will subtract the base.
Yeah.
First you find the surface area. What is?
Ma'am, the 13 meters square.
13?
Thir- 13, right?
13 meter?
Yeah.
1 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Then find the area of the base also.
Ma'am, is it correct? 13?
You're correct. Correct. This is correct. 13.
Yeah, okay. Mhm.
3. First is 3 plus 1.5 plus 2.
Yeah.
So 3 or 2, 5 or 1, 6.5. 6.5 into 2, that is 13.0.
Mm.
Base means the lower side.
Yeah.
I think this is given in the figure also. How much is that? Length into breadth.
Yeah, length into breadth.
Length is how much? 2 and breadth is how much? 1.
Yeah, it will come to only.
So can you tell me that how much the required area which should be polished?
11.
11, correct. All are in meter only, not in centimeter.
Ah.
I
Ma'am,
think
no.
this should be clear to you.
Yes, it's clear.
There should be no any problem in this question.
Yeah.
Next question.
Daniel is painting the walls of and ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth, and height of 15 meter, 10 meter, and 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint, 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room?
I think the half question is the same as you have done, just like this question.
So in this also we should find the um in
Yes,
this
find the surface area. Because over the surface only you have to paint. So you
yeah,
have to find the surface area,
then we should divide it by 100, right?
not divide. Then again you have to subtract the bottom. Find the area of the bottom, then you have to subtract that.
Danny. Ma'am, why should we subtract the bottom?
Because over the base we are not doing anything. Na?
Ah, yeah, 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 correct.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So first you find the area, surface area of the hall.
Okay. Okay, I will.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am, almost.
What is answer?
1 second.
Eh?
1 second, 1 second.
Okay.
Ma'am, 650 meters, centimeter square.
650, correct. Find the area of the base.
Base. Ma'am, again, length into breadth, right?
Length into breadth.
Yeah. Equal length multiplied by breadth is equal to 15 multiplied by 10 is equal to 0 meters square. Ma'am, I got the answer 150 meters square. Now we have to minus subtract it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
For the cylinder and for the cube also it is given values. So now you can put the values.
Yes.
Radius value is how much of cylinder?
Radius is 7.
No, this is not radius. That is diameter.
So we have to find the radius.
That is diameter.
Then what
You
is
know the
the
difference of radius and diameter?
radius is um,
Radius is half of the diameter. As
okay.
this is the in circle, I will tell you. Diameter means from this circumference to this one. This is known as the diameter. And what is the radius? Radius is half of it from here to here. This is the radius. This whole is
Okay.
the diameter and half is the radius. Same is given in
Hmm.
your book cylinder. In cylinder also, how much it is given? This whole part is given. How much it is that? That is 7 centimeter. This is the shape
Yeah.
of the cylinder.
So 0.5, right?
Okay. So the radius is how much? That is 3.5.
Yeah.
Can you calculate?
Yes, ma'am. Then it will be 3.5.
Okay. Yes.
1. Ma'am, the surface.
Yes.
Wait. 1 second.
Yes. What is the answer?
I'm calculating. I think so. This is wrong.
Okay. Complete.
Ma'am, I'm getting the answer as 154.
154, 154 correct. Then find the lateral surface area of the cube also.
What? Okay. I will. 4 multiplied by side square, right?
How much the side is given?
7.
How much the side is given?
7, 7.
7. Ah, yes. 7 into 7 you can do.
Yeah. 7, 7.
4 into 7 into 7. What happened?
Yeah, I'm doing. If I. Ma'am, 196 centimeter square.
How much?
196.
196. So which has a larger lateral surface area?
And the cube.
Cube. Well, this is the answer only.
Someone ring the bell. I'm coming.
This was the question only, na?
Yes.
Okay.
Someone is ringing the bell.
I think this question should be clear, but the main thing is that you should know the formula also.
Yeah, yeah. Ma'am, can I
So this also you have to, you can underline and you can write in your notebook. In the front page of your notebook, you have to write these formulas. So you have to write the lateral surface area of the cylinder 2 pi RH. Lateral surface area of the cube is 4 into side square.
Oh, yeah, okay. Ma'am, only 1 second can I get because someone is ringing the bell.
Pardon?
Yes?
Pardon me, what are you saying? Not clear to me.
No, actually, someone is ringing the bell. I'll come in 1 second.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Hello?
Okay. So read the next question.
Okay. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height is 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required?
Here again you have to use the formula
Yeah,
surface area of the cylindrical tank. Again I
yeah.
will tell. I think it should be given in your book also, no, these formulas. So you have to take these formulas. You have to learn that also.
Okay.
This is given in your book formula.
Um, yeah, it is given before the exercise.
Given. So you can see what is given. Cylindrical tank. What is the
Cylinder,
formula? Surface area of the cylindrical tank.
2 pi RH.
2 pi r
H.
h only
Plus R.
plus r. H plus r.
Ah,
Here the 2 times the radius is given.
yeah,
Okay. So I think radius is also given and the height is also given in this question.
yeah.
So can you find the
Yes, ma'am.
surface area?
Yes.
Values you can write yourself. Radius is 3. Height
Yeah.
is, sorry, radius is 7. Height is 3. Again,
Ma'am, 440 meter square.
yes, 440 square meter area is required.
Yeah.
You will see in this question only you should learn the formula only. Then easily you can solve the question.
Hmm.
So you have to learn these and write these formulas also. And
Okay.
whenever you solve the question, before that also you have to write, as I have written here. In beginning also, in the previous one also I have written the formula. So whenever you solve the question, first you have to write the formula. After that you have to solve the question.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Next question.
Next question is the lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 424 centimeter square. It is cut long its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet.
Asil, your voice is not coming to me. Very less it is coming.
Okay. Okay, I will be a little bit near. Now can you hear?
Now it is become very less. I don't know what happened.
Hello.
You see your volume.
Yeah, mine is full. Hello.
Volume is full.
Yes.
Okay. Can you read again this question?
Okay. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 424 centimeters square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet.
Yes. Can you
Mm.
tell me what is the meaning of this question?
Um, First of all, they have given us the surface area of the cylinder, lateral surface area 4,224.
Hollow
It
cylinder area is given, that is 4,224. You can
they
write.
have cut it off into a rectangular.
Yes. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet which has a width of 33 centimeter. And
Uh,
then find the perimeter and the rectangle of the sheet. Rectangular sheet you have to find.
hmm.
What is the formula of the cylinder?
Pi r 2 pi r plus h plus r.
Lateral surface area of the hollow cylinder.
Yeah, 2 pi r bracket h.
Surface area of cylinder. That is 4,224.
Yeah,
So 4,200. What is
meters.
the formula of it?
2 pi r.
2 pi RH. So can you find the height? This case, this is given 4,224 to pi is how much? 22 upon 7. And the radius also not given this question.
Yeah,
That means what we have to do? First we have to find the radius also.
yeah.
Okay. How can you find the radius? Form the rectangular sheet of the, but along its height and form the rectangular sheet of the width to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So find, first you can find perimeter formula you can write.
Okay. 2
2
into
pi r. 2 into 22 upon 7, and radius, this you have to find. And that is given 33. बल्कि circumference कर दो, perimeter के circumference कर दो, 33. So find the radius. 33 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 11 2 ja, 11 3 ja, 21 upon 4. And this
Yeah.
you can write here.
Ma'am, why did you found the circumference of the cylinder?
Just a minute. 21 upon 4. Height you have to find. What I say?
Oh, why did you found the circumference of the cylinder?
Because that is in the rectangular sheet. Find the perimeter of the rectangle.
Yeah.
Formed this cylinder is formed a rectangular sheet of the width 33 centimeter. Okay? That means the length is given. That means the perimeter is how much? That is 33. In the
Oh.
circular shape. So perimeter formula, that means circumference. How much is that? What is the formula? That is 2 pi r.
Hmm.
So by this, what do you have to find? We have to find the radius.
Okay. But how are we taking the width as the perimeter?
Perimeter and circumference is the same thing.
But how are we taking?
Perimeter is, we are calling for the square and rectangle, we are calling it as a perimeter.
Yeah, I know that.
But for the circle, this is called the circumference.
Yeah, but how are we taking 33 as the circumference of the cylinder?
Because what is given? The 33 cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width. Width means, the breadth. Breadth is the 33. So
Hmm.
breadth is not here. That means what is it? This is the circumference. Circumference या perimeter. This is the perimeter.
Okay.
Perimeter is a 33.
Okay.
So find the height. This h value you can find.
Yeah. Okay. Wait.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will show you this one. I think you are confused in that question. You have
No,
written this one?
yes, ma'am. But at the last simplification, I got 424, 400, 224 by 33.
What is the answer?
I didn't further solve it, but I
Not
will.
got. Okay. I got, I think, 128 meter. 2 twos, 7 threes,
Yes, ma'am. I also got 128
128. Okay. But
meter.
you have to find the perimeter. पहले complete कर देते हैं. After that, I will tell you. Perimeter you have to find of rectangle. What is the formula for the perimeter? 2 length plus breadth.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
2 कितना है 128 and breadth is a 33.
Yeah.
You note down, after that I will tell you. I will explain this question.
Ma'am, noted.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am. It's completed.
Then should I explain this question?
Ma'am.
Now see this question. Suppose this is a hollow cylinder and a hollow. Okay, this is the hollow cylinder.
Okay.
Hollow means, you know what is the meaning of the hollow? Nothing is. Asil clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read the question. What is given? You have to cut it.
Okay.
Read that. Read that.
The lateral surface area of the hollow cylinder is 224 centimeter square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of.
Along the height. Height means from here. From here you have to cut. Like this you have to cut it. This is the height and this is the breadth. What is the width is given? You are confused in this only, na? Width is
Yeah,
how much? That is 33. And
33.
which shape is that?
Uh, in circle.
Circular shape is that, na? Circular shape.
No, it's in
Circular
circle.
shape is that, na?
Yeah.
When you will cut it with the height, which shape is this one?
Circular.
Circular shape. That's why this I have written circumference equals to 2 pi r. You are confused in this only.
Hmm.
And how much is that? This is 33.
Okay.
This width is given as a 33. So what can we find? We can find the radius. After that, as you will cut, now you are getting the one rectangle. This is the rectangle shape. Or a rectangle shape. This we are getting in the rectangular shape.
Okay.
And you have to find the length of it. That
Oh,
means you have to find the length. Length means the height you have to find. By
uh,
using this formula, you can find the height, which will act as the length of this sheet, rectangular sheet.
okay.
Breadth is how much? That is 33, which
Hmm.
already we got. So by this, what can we find? We can find the perimeter.
Understood.
Okay. If again doubt is clear or not, again I will tell you.
Yes,
If you
ma'am. The
want,
doubt.
again I can explain.
Yeah,
This is
actually,
hollow cylinder.
hmm,
Okay. Only from the height you have to cut it. That
hmm,
means the breadth. How can you find? This circumference equals to 2 pi r, because it is in the circular shape. So you can find the radius of it. And now you can write here, this in the surface area is given as the 4224. What is the formula? 2 pi rh. Find the value of this height. And as you will cut it, now you are getting in the rectangular shape. This
yeah,
metal sheet you are getting in the rectangular shape. And then you have to find the perimeter of it.
okay.
Okay. Now
Yes,
clear?
yes, ma'am. It's clear.
So height is given how much? That's 4224. 2 into pi is 22 upon 7. Radius, as you have got from here, how much is that? 21 upon 4. So 21 upon 4. And this height you can find. And this height, when it will convert into the rectangular sheet, that will become the length. So height
Okay.
is coming as 128. And here, as you have to find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet, 2 length plus breadth. Why the 128? Because that hollow cylinder now convert into the rectangle. So this is a length. It is 128 plus 33. Breadth is the 33.
Yeah,
Okay. So 2 into, as you will multiply it by the 161. What is the answer? Answer is coming 322 centimeter.
centimeter.
This is clear or not now?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Eh? If
Yes.
you are confused by the one paper, you can do it. You can fold like this one. You can make this cylinder. You know, this is the cylinder shape. But at the bottom, what is there? There is a circular shape.
Circulation.
So you can, now as you will cut it with the height, now what are you getting? You are getting the rectangular shape. This is
Yeah.
the length and this is the breadth on it. Okay.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. This question
So
is
these questions you have to do again one more time yourself. I think then it will be clear, because these are not, I think, the easy questions. And second thing is that you should know the formula also.
okay.
If you know the formula, and as you will understand the question, then only you can solve the questions.
Yes.
Okay. Should I leave the class now?
So, okay.
Can you do a one thing?
Yes, what?
See, as you are doing the questions, can you send the pic of the 1 or 2 pages to sir?
Okay,
Then
I
I will
will.
see that how you are doing
Okay.
calculation